Good morning again, second graders. Happy Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. I am going to explain your language arts jobs today. Try your best. Let me know if you have questions. Like always, you can send me a video message on Seesaw or post a little message link for me. So today I want you to start with your Sunday. You'll need to take out your Sunday packet and then click on the Sunday lesson number 99 with Miss Larson. If you need to, pause to write the words again and make sure you are touch spelling before you write them. Then you're going to click on this link. This link has Mrs. Meddert showing you how to complete Sunday number 99 on your worksheet in your Sunday folder. When you're done with that, you may move on to a Raz Kids, complete a Raz Kids, and then take the comprehension quiz. And then you have an adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives are review for us, and we've talked a little bit about adverbs, but not as much. You can listen to Mrs. Meddert's lesson by clicking the link. If you need extra support tools to better understand what adjectives and adverbs are, you can listen to the adjectives song, a Schoolhouse Rock adverb song, and then there's Brain Pop Junior adjectives and adverbs as well. Those three are optional, but make sure you listen to the lesson Mrs. Meddert has for you. And then you're going to go ahead and complete IXL's VV8 and VV9 in second grade language arts. Today I'd like you to read to self for at least 30 minutes, and then I'd like you to do a free write for 20 minutes, maybe something that you did this morning or that you hope to do this afternoon. And then I would like you to upload your writing and record yourself reading it to Seesaw. And then you can go ahead and color in your tasks on your PLP that you finished for today. Again, if you have any questions, message me or send me a video on Seesaw, and I will be happy to help you out. Good luck!